So today we are continuing our series called One Day, One Doodle, and let's get going. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Wait, let me just check one thing here. Come on, please. Good. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you my present. This one. This is a statue of Lego. Yeah. And so, what are we gonna draw today? Yeah. So, here we have our booklet again. I think I'm gonna draw this one because I don't know, just I get like lavender vibes. Yeah, we are going to draw a lavender. And one thing, yeah, I want to use, we are gonna use this purple today too. So yeah, we are doing our 10. And we are doing a lavender today. So yeah, here we have the grass. And like this, the stem. We're just gonna draw one leaf here. One leaf here. Now, yeah, we're gonna use that purple. Yeah. So now we're just gonna do like little dots over here. Now we're gonna get our pen and we're gonna circle them, like line them. And now we have our beautiful lavender. See, it's so cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.